This is the 10th video in our series, Hitting the Bricks. Today's features are the location where the original Mexican Eats Cafe used to be and Roy Pope Grocery Store.
We hope you enjoy this video. Come along with us as we adventure, both great and small, doing the things that we love to do. And we'll share an opportunity with you of how we make our money and be able to do the things that we love to do.
The original Mexican Eats Cafe was established in 1926 and is the oldest Mexican restaurant in Fort Worth still in business. For about 97 years, they thrived in this place, growing from one commercial bay in the row to almost all of them. But there was a long battle over the lease of the building recently. They had to move all operations to their new address, 1400 North Main, which they call Original Mexican Eats Cafe del Norte. You can read more about the original and their special relationship with FDR at their website, originalmexcafe.com. By the way, if you're enjoying these videos, please hit the like button. The Roy Pope Grocery Store was established in 1943 by Roy Pope, who was a veteran. It included a laundromat, dry cleaner, and shoe repair shop at this location. Roy Pope has offered grocery delivery for probably as many years as it's been in operation. This business had been inherited down the family line one way or another until 2020. At that time, it sold to the current owners, who refurbished the building, but have also been faithful to the past history of the business. We've come to the end of video 10. If you'd like more info on how we make money online and do what we love, hit the link in the About section of our channel that is labeled How to Make Money Doing What You Love. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like these, plus other random stuff, always something of value, even if it's just to make you laugh. Leave a comment if you have questions or requests. See you next time.